Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, you're selling preventative maintenance wrong. After a vehicle reaches 3 years of age, the average annual cost of maintenance and repair is $1,186, according to AAA. That number isn't a secret, and people who purchase and own cars expect there will be upkeep costs. Yet, when writing work orders, it's often seen as a win when a one-line oil change RO gets bumped up to 2 or 3 lines of maintenance. Adding preventative maintenance lines to a work order is great and all, but you're selling it wrong. Maintenance isn't an upsell. Check the owner's manual on any vehicle, and you'll find a maintenance schedule in its pages. It contains all of the information necessary to properly maintain the vehicle. Oil and filter change intervals, tire rotations, transmission fluid changes, differential services. There are no details hidden. Preventative maintenance is the standard. Consider preventative maintenance as a benchmark. It's the acceptable level of job performance. When a customer visits, this is the minimum they should expect. Here's why. On previous visits, the advisor has established the importance of the maintenance guide, and the service advisor presents the required maintenance to the customer as an expectation, not as a suggestion. Maintenance should not be something to sell. Rather, it's a tool to help the customer keep their vehicle operating at its best. When writing the work order, the service advisor should present maintenance that is due and only the maintenance that is due. And that's the tip of the day. Customers know there is a cost to maintain their vehicle. It's your job to show them why it's important. When that's done well, with a service walk-around, maintenance isn't an upsell, but an expectation. Call CPI today at 212-763-0016 to discover how we can help. Thanks for watching.